Before you pull the trigger on buying Surfshark BV, there are a few crucial things you need to know. Whether you're considering it for privacy, streaming, or bypassing geo restrictions, I've got you covered with 7 points that will help you make an informed decision. Stick around because I'll also share how Surfshark stacks up against competitors and what's really behind its claims. You might want to stick around until the end because I'll also tell you how you can try Surfshark for free with an exclusive offer. First off, one of the biggest selling points of Surfshark BV is its unlimited device support. While most VPN providers restrict you to a certain number of devices, Surfshark allows you to connect as many devices as you want with a single account. This is huge if you have multiple devices like a phone, tablet, laptop, and even your smart TV. So whether you're looking for security across all your devices or want to protect your entire household, Surfshark has you covered. It's a big contrast to competitors like NordVPN, which limits you to 6 devices per plan. Next thing to consider is the price. Surfshark's pricing is highly competitive, especially when you consider its long-term plans. While some VPNs like ExpressVPN might charge more for similar features, Surfshark offers solid value for the price. You're getting premium features, including strong encryption, a no-logs policy, and access to a large network of servers worldwide without breaking the bank. And if you want to try it risk-free, you can get a completely free trial through the first link in the description below. The third thing you need to know is how fast Surfshark really is. With most VPNs, speed can suffer, but Surfshark has made significant strides to minimize any noticeable lag, especially when streaming or gaming. Its WireGuard protocol is one of the fastest, and in my experience, you won't see any major slowdown while browsing or streaming in HD. For comparison, some VPNs, including NordVPN and CyberGhost, can be a little slower when you compare them side by side, especially on long-distance servers. Now, let's talk about streaming. If you're someone who wants to access content from platforms like Netflix, Hulu, or BBC iPlayer, Surfshark performs exceptionally well. Its ability to bypass geo-blocks is among the best in the industry. I've been able to unlock streaming libraries from different countries, and I haven't run into issues with buffers or errors. When compared to other providers, Surfshark's consistency in accessing region-restricted content is impressive, and it does a better job than many competitors like CyberGhost or ProtonVPN. The fifth thing is Surfshark security. It offers military-grade encryption with AES 256, which is the industry standard. On top of that, Surfshark has a strict no-logs policy, meaning none of your personal information is being stored or monitored. It's also based in the British Virgin Islands, a location with no mandatory data retention laws, which makes it a great option for privacy-conscious users. Other services like ExpressVPN and NordVPN also offer similar security features, but Surfshark gives you all this at a more affordable price. Next, you'll want to know about Surfshark's customer support. While the interface is simple and easy to use, it's nice to know that if you ever need assistance, Surfshark's support team is available 24/7 via live chat. They're responsive and knowledgeable, which is something you'll appreciate when troubleshooting or setting up. Not all VPNs, especially budget ones, offer this level of support, so it's nice to see it with Surfshark. The seventh and final thing is the extra features that Surfshark brings to the table. Beyond just being a VPN, it offers additional tools like CleanWeb, which blocks ads, trackers, and malware, and Whitelister, which allows you to route certain apps outside the VPN. These extra features add a lot of value to the overall experience, especially when compared to competitors who only focus on VPN services without any additional layers of protection or customization. So, there you have it, 7 things you should know about Surfshark BV before purchasing. With unlimited devices, strong speed, and top-notch streaming, it's clear why Surfshark is a leading choice. Plus, if you want to try it out risk-free, you can use the exclusive offer in the first link below to get the best free trial and some additional benefits. If you're ready to take the plunge and see if Surfshark is right for you, click that first link in the description. You'll get access to some exclusive benefits, and you can test it out for free. Don't wait, click below now.